First day of spring, winter wonderland. Oh wait, what? This is bullshit. Look at this fucking. We should take my car so we could do skids. I said we should take my car so we could do skids. Mad skids, bro. This is fun, isn't it?
Oh, it's fun. I should get it.
I'll get it.
Huh?
Just pull it up. I'm gonna do my sister's car. This used to be my car, by the way, but it was too small, so I sold it to my sister. Good old 4-door Integra. Paid $1,000 for it. Never left me stranded once. 1996. This is 2013, and it's left us stranded already. Well, eventually it worked, but it did leave us stranded for like a couple minutes because of the CVT. So yeah. Here is the Money Pit Caddy, covered in snow. This is at least 4 inches of snow. Holy shit. I'm just cleaning it off a little bit so people don't think it's abandoned. Holy shit, this is a lot of fucking snow. First day of spring, ladies and gentlemen. The Mustang, I'm not even gonna bother cleaning that off. But we're going to the movies.
Put that in the trunk. Beat
Where
it
you gonna
off.
put it? Where you gonna put it?
Here, get here.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it's got snow on it. Duh.
No, so.
Hey, watch where you fucking throwing that. Don't kill us, Jess. Jesus. Looking crazy out here, cuz. So it's looking crazy out here for the first day of spring. We're probably about to be the only people in this movie theater. It's still freaking snowing like crazy. Almost walked in that big ass puddle. What you looking at, faggot?
Emergency orders. Calling for a hasty quarantine.
This popcorn
Trash Island becomes an exile
is
colony.
late as fuck. It's called Cheetos popcorn.
The Isle of Dogs.
It's fire.
I know.
We literally got the entire
I have this
place to
reoccurring
ourselves.
dream. I feel the warmth of the sun on my skin and the comfort of arms around me. And I want to stay there forever. But that would be impossible.
Watch that big ass puddle. Car's covered in snow again. When will the snow stop? It will not. So much snow.
Man, son, it's cold.
Okay, it is. That movie was lit, though. Movie was lit. I said Jumanji was lit. is a wonderful first day of spring. It is still fucking snowing. Hoorah. Let me move that so I can see. This wonderful fluffy white stuff. Somehow Kenny's in Mexico too. How do we all end up in Mexico?
Tacos.
Tacos. Don't do Mustang things. Lots of snow in Mexico.
Hell yeah, brother.